Hi there, this is Donation Bahauddin and creative to learn how to create a reflection in Photoshop just 2 minutes. Select the rectangle marquee tool and make a selection till the reflection point just like that. Press Ctrl or Command J, press Ctrl or Command T, right click on it and choose the flip vertical. Now let's bring it down just like that. I'm happy with this and then hit enter. Hold the controller command, click on the layer thumbnail and then click on the mask button. Now separate the mask, come back to the layer, go to filter, blur and then motion blur. Let's keep at the 90 degrees and you can play with the distance. 90 is fine. For this example, hit OK. Go to filter, blur and then Gaussian blur. Let's add a little bit of caution to the 1.2 is fine for this example. Hit OK. Let's make the water a little darker by checking on the system layer icon and click on levels. Now bring the slider to the left button, this mask everything dark, click on this button. Create clipping mask button, this mask chest or water darker, it looks amazing. Now at this point you might think the water is little bit sharp over the edge, and then you will come back to the mask, open up the properties right here and increase the feather just a little bit and there you go. Let's have a look at the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after.